once again had to call upon Abacus to bail me out. I know who to call when something happens. I took my grandson into my guest bathroom and we were cleaning him up, getting him ready to go to school, and flushed the commode, and water came out between the tank and the seat. I knew immediately that wasn't good. So I called Abacus and asked them when they could schedule someone out to make this repair. They remembered me, of course, and I'm very glad that they are who they are and available 24 hours a day. They sent Cheyenne out to repair the problem. She made the repairs expediently. She was not being rushed. She worked professionally. I am ever grateful for Abacus and their expedient service, their professionalism, and their courtesy. I know it won't be the last time I call you because my home is going to be my home until God calls me home. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.
Abacus Plumbing, Air Conditioning, and Electrical. You can count on us.